Hey there! Making a form requires you to have some knowledge of coding, or maybe sometimes operating a dashboard or CMS, or sometimes you might not need any of these things. Introducing TypeForm's AI. Now we are in that age where AI is growing exponentially. And what if I told you that you can just talk to an AI chat tool and it will help you create the perfect form of your dreams? Typeform has introduced an early access tool where you can talk to a natural language processing model and it will create a form for you from scratch. So let's see how this can be done. So guys, you can start off with Typeform's website and go to their AI feature. You can sign up for an account over here, and then maybe you can sign up with your email, or maybe I want to sign up with my Google account, and you can accept the cookies in order to go further. Maybe I want to use my CT9 account in order to do everything. So once we have signed up with our Google account, just click on this, let me in. Now it's time to create AI forms. So they will ask you what we are going to be using it for. So I'm a product marketing manager. So what I do is engage, nurture, and educate my audience. Okay, let's see if they are able to brand our forms automatically. So we are going to create a form with AI. So they have an option to start from scratch, or you can import questions. I'll create a form with AI. So I will just ask this tool. So I asked a very detailed question. Are there any specific questions or topics you need in your form? I want to ask my audience about their entertainment preferences. Okay, so we are just going to brand this form as well. So let's see the magic of AI, how much time they take to build this beautiful form. So our form is, I guess, almost ready or something. Okay, no thanks. This is what the form looks like. What's your name? What's your date of birth? What's your mobile phone number? What's your nationality? What's your gender? What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Who's your favorite movie star? What is your favorite movie? How often do you watch movies? So this was something that I just generated randomly, that I wanted to know the entertainment preferences of my audience, and the AI was able to generate appropriate options for the same. So that's something cool. Do you prefer watching movies at home or in a theater? Have you ever used a streaming service to watch movies? Now that. So I got a beautiful form for me, and I can just now publish this form. So I won't get the brand logo in my form. Then my form would be able to be published, I guess. Form is published, and here's the link for the form. And if I selected the paid features, then I might need to pay for that. But other than that, my form is ready, the link is ready, and I can just share this link to my followers with the email blast, and then ready to start my marketing journey with AI. Now you can also set up integrations and notifications, or you can also share or embed your form on your website. Most of the modern AI tools right now only give you prompts on how you can get the job done, or maybe how you can create a form. But this tool specifically gives you the complete output along with the link, which you can share with your followers or friends. And that's something great. Maybe a feature like this will come to HubSpot and other platforms soon in the near future. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you need our help in order to build something custom or great of your own, or you need our help in your inbound marketing projects, then reach out to us for a free one-on-one consultation call via the link in the description below, or via the QR code on the screen in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next informative video.